We'll be constructing a triangle ABC, given the base AB, angle CAB, and the length of the side AC. So the first thing we do, we use a T-square and a pencil to draw the baseline. Then we measure 9 centimeters on this line for the base and label the line AB with our pencil. Then we're going to construct a 120-degree angle at A. So we mark an arc from A. Then where the arc intersects the baseline, we mark an arc with the same radius. Then we use a ruler and pencil to draw a line from A through the intersection of the two arcs. This angle is 120 degrees, right? What we're going to do now, we're going to use our ruler, compass, and pencil to measure the length of the side, which is 68 millimeters. So we open our compass to 68 millimeters. We put the compass at A and we mark this radius to intersect the line that we drew at 120 degrees. This point will be C. Then we're going to use our ruler and pencil to draw a line BC to form the triangle ABC. What we're going to do now, we're going to darken the base AB. Then we're going to darken AC. Then we're going to draw a parallel line so that we can do the label after we have completed adding the dimensions. So these lines will be about 4 millimeters apart so that we can label the drawing. Now what we're going to do, we're going to label here 120 degrees. Then we're going to insert the dimension for the base AB. So we're going to put on the dimension line. So this line is 90 millimeters. We're going to darken AC, the side AC on the triangle. So we'll be adding the dimension to the side of the triangle label AC. We're going to extend this line, and this measurement is 68. Label this point A because I had erased it early on. So we're going to label now 2. Construct a triangle ABC given the base AB, comma, angle CAB. We're going to draw two more pairs of guidelines so that we can continue the label for the drawing of the triangle. And the distance of the side AC. So good job if you followed along. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we constructed a triangle ABC given the base AB, angle CAB, and the distance of the side AC. At Cadre Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite math channel, and we thank you for joining us. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of the centroid of a given triangle. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.